Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You must start by narrowing to a specific niche. This makes every next action measurable and faster. Once chosen, optimize your Instagram profile for conversions. A clear value line, CTA button, and a link in bio tool that tracks clicks. Then apply to 3-5 affiliate programs that directly match your audience's needs and price tolerance. This reduces friction and increases trust. Make sure to set up tracking parameters and a simple spreadsheet to record offer ID, commission rates, and payment thresholds. So now focus on content that demonstrates value and nudges action. You should create 60-90-second reels showing real use cases, carousels teaching quick steps, and stories with swipe up or link stickers. This addresses discovery, education, and conversion. Once done, layer a soft pitch with social proof, testimonials, screenshots, and a clear CTA. Make sure to /B test captions, thumbnails, posting times, and tracking links. Consistent iteration finds what converts, and then you double down on winners to grow revenue. Finish by scaling what already works. Put ad spend behind top-performing content, run influencer swaps in your niche, and repurpose best posts. Then optimize the funnel. Improve landing pages, add email follow-ups for LTV, and ensure pixel and UTM data capture conversions. If things go wrong, troubleshoot methodically. Low CTR usually means creative mismatch. Check audience targeting and test new thumbnails. If conversions drop, confirm links and affiliate tracking aren't broken, and recheck commission terms to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.